Welcome back to Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm usually paper crafting, and that is my hobby of choice: scrapbooking, card making, rubber stamping, junk journaling. But lately I've also been trying some cross stitching. It is nice to change things up and try something different. So I started with a couple of very small projects, like this gingerbread man. I need to put him in a frame, but I got this kit off of a free table at a scrapbook event, and he was so cute. I really love gingerbread, so I thought, well, let's try that. Then I liked it, so I decided to try something different, and I like the idea of something being useful. So I tried a cross stitch kit that creates a luggage tag. And I got these from a company called Jump Seat Therapy. Everything comes in a nice contained kit with a Ziploc bag. And I did the avocado first. So I'm getting ready to go on a weekend trip. I will fill out my name and address and cell number, and I'll put this on my travel bag. This was so much fun, I decided to get another one, and I want to kind of show you what the kit is like when you receive it. It comes in the bag, which is really nice because you could travel with this really easily. It comes with the cutest pair of scissors, travel scissors, and these are approved to take on an airplane if you're traveling that way, but these are super handy. The thread you need comes already sorted with your symbol, and there's great directions here. If you're new to cross stitching, it tells you exactly what to do and how to do it. And then here is the pattern. So the pattern is, I've already finished this, but the pattern is printed on the fabric, but you also have it here to reference. Super cute and easy. The way it was set up made it so simple. I didn't have to sort any thread. I didn't have to find a needle. It came with a needle, it came with the scissors, everything I needed. And this really gave me something fun to do that was easy and pass some time while I was watching TV. I could just stitch on this. Check out all the really cute patterns on the Jump Seat Therapy site, and let me know if you have any questions. I had a blast creating these luggage tags. Keep on scrapping, stamping, paper crafting, and cross stitching.